CommSec, Tom Piotrowski joining us live for a look at the markets today. So we've had that lead from overseas that another 75 basis points that the Fed Reserve has lifted rates. Tom, what sort of an effect could or might that have on our markets today?
Well, Pete, just at the bottom line level, we're going to kick off with a loss of around 1.6% this morning. So obviously a little bit of a knock. It was interesting to see the performance of US markets in the aftermath of the Fed's decision. The 75 basis points was expected, but in the press conference that was held by Jerome Powell, what he highlighted was the need to not only get on top of inflation, but also to corral inflationary expectations. And that was one of the factors that just saw sellers get the edge, and then that momentum built up, because it's not just a question of what happened today, it's what's going to happen over the course of the next couple of meetings. In particular, there's a lot of conversation about the potential for a moderation in the size of the rate hikes, and there's been a poll cast over that question now, and that's why sellers have had the edge. So the thing to point out is that we've actually seen an improvement in commodity prices overnight as well, so the extent to which that buffers the initial decline will be worth watching carefully. The other thing is we've got some important measures of activity in the Chinese services sector coming out of the Chinese sphere today, so that'll be worth watching. There is a sense they might be closer to opening up their economy in relation to those COVID restrictions, so that's been supporting sentiment in different quarters.
Well, how about that? Tom Piotrowski, thank you.